Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you an unboxing for a swap that I did with Maria McCafferty. She's swapping with me for Poochie's 2021 Halloween swap. This just got to me a while ago, and yeah, I've just gotten around to unboxing this. Since the box is quite large, I'm just gonna take out the stuff inside, and then I'm gonna be showing you what she sent to me. Anyway, thank you so much, Maria, for your generosity of sending me this swap, and also I would like to thank Amy, my friend who actually sent this to me, everything intact, and I'm so happy to be participating for my first ever swap. So here we go. Okay, right off the bat, she gave me this DIY stickers. Oh no! There's a bling sticker that's sticking here. I'll try to find where that's from. She gave me these skull stickers. So nice. I love it. And then she also gifted me a few hollow stickers. And she also gave me this sort of 3D Halloween sticker. And oh, she sent me lots and lots of extras, guys. I'm so happy. She sent me these as well. I think they're witch's hat from like a pipe cleaner, and also these ribbons. Very sweet, very nice. And she gave me these flying bats party tricks. Oh, I've never had this before. Thank you so much, Maria. And then I also got this treat bags with ties. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. Thank you so much. Then, oh, this is the one that she made me. Oh, I know where the gem is from now. I'll fix this. But this is the banner that we're supposed to be making for each of our partners. So the banner has to have our name on it. And this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. It's so cute. Trick or treat. Love it. Love it so much. I'm gonna fix that later. Thank you so much. Oh, it's got a hanging tie here and also here. Really nice. Let's see what else she sent me. Oh, lots of goodies. Okay, she sent me loads and loads of things. So she sent me this container. This is a sort of coffin container. It's a little bit like hollow. It's a black holographic color. And inside, oh my goodness, these are amazing. I love this. I've got cotton candy, Halloween cotton candy, and also a sequins pack. Just black sequins on this little tube. Oh, such a great idea. Thank you, Maria. Up next, she also gifted me another coffin box filled with these goodies. I love it. Oh, I never thought about making these brooms with yarns. These are gorgeous. These are embellishments. Oh wow, these are really nice. I think this is a coffee. Wait, what is this? Oh wow, I don't know what this is, but this looks really nice. Thank you so much for making that for me. And then I also got An embellishment book. Wow, really nice, really pretty. Definitely, it's in the shape of a coffin. It's very, very sturdy. I love it. And she's got this sort of like suede or velour kind of like fabric there, and it's a shaker in the front. Love it. I love cats, and I really love this black cat shaker. And she's got me all sorts of embellishments here. Such an awesome idea. I love it. This rosette is so darling. And all these felt embellishments. And oops, I think maybe it's from here. Yeah. And also a set of bows. Oh, these looks really nice. I love glittery bows. And also again more embellishments. I really love these bottles. Oh, very nice. Okay, moving along. We were also to send a pack of like an embellishment box. Oh my gosh, she filled it to the brim, girl. I can't even close it now. And she decorated beautifully. Okay, I might not be able to close that properly, but she got me all these felt shapes. Let me get rid of that. She got me all these felt shapes and these beads. Really gorgeous beads there. Some wooden beads. More beads. Oh, some stoppers and trims. Oh my god, and these dangles or these charms, really, really pretty. I don't have any of these beads, so this is really beautiful. Thank you so much. It says here boo, and I really love all these stickers there. Right. Then she also sent me some bows. I love the way she packaged her bows. Oh, I love this die as well. I have this die, but I didn't even like cut this. I think this is a smaller version of the die that I have. Mine, I think, is a little bit bigger, but she used like a laminated paper and kind of pressed the glitters there. Oh, there's so many sequins. I love it. Yeah, she gave me these bows. I think they're made from imitation leather or faux leather. Oh, and it looks like a candy packaging. Totally love them. More bows. I love your packaging, girl. Really, really nice. I love the skull paper there with the foiling there. I'm so in love with these bows. Really nice size as well. Yeah, let's see what's in here. She also sent me these. Oh my god. So cute. Betsy Johnson earrings. Super cute. And also another treat bag. Oh my gosh, she sent me lots and lots of chipboards. I mean, being in Indonesia, I think it's, you know, you don't get a lot of these stuff here. We have to buy stuff from, you know, US or Singapore or even UK sometimes, and I'm just so grateful if we can have any kind of like embellishment sent to us. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Maria. Also, one of the requirements is to create, I think, a tassel, and this is what she gave me. I think a set of tassels. Let me open this. Really, really nice. I love the colors and the dangle. Wow, these are really, really nice. The yarn is pretty nice as well. I mean, like, it doesn't fray. I think it's great quality. I'm going to take out all of them so we can kind of see. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Really pretty. Here's another one. Oh, I love these giant black balls. Oh, they're so nice. I love it. You did a really great job on these. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I also got these shaker bits, like a shaker mix. Oh, and I really love it because I don't have any of these. These are so great. I don't think you can get these kind of sequins in AliExpress. I don't know, but I haven't seen them on AliExpress. So these are really good. I think I have another one here, which is a Coffin Box. Oh wow! I've got a rubber stamp, a few rubber stamps, and other additional like embellishments here. Thank you so much. These are super cute, and I can definitely use this for my cards and my projects. Thank you so much. I love this trim. They're gorgeous. Where did you get them? They're really nice. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay. Let me see if there are anything else that I'm missing. Okay, there's so many bits and bobs here. Just because I think it's kind of been jumbled up in the transit on the way here. But I think these are the last items. Yeah, definitely I have this mesh here. Oh my god, this is really nice, and I'm so going to be using this for next year's Halloween. And then I got a toothpick, which is like a tree topper with these ghosts on top. And then I got this very cute cauldron stuffed with I think these are spiders. I don't know what's inside here. Yeah, but I think, oh wow, like a resin piece. Really nice. I love it. Okay, so there you go, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And again, Maria, thank you so much for being my swap partner, and also Pushi for letting me join my first ever swap. I'm so happy that I can finally participate in a swap. And hopefully I'll be able to do more swaps sometime next year. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye.